strike and endure. They do not follow scripts. They do not fake motion. They fight. And this is only the beginning. Since the last video, we've been working on several things. First, we improved the stability of all movements. This resulted in longer, more strategic fights. Second, we finally implemented long-awaited fall recovery. The fight keeps going even when a bot is on the ground. Enjoy the fight. Round 1. Tough dominates the round. Round 2. The round belongs to Rough. Round 3. Tough claims the round. Round 4. Rough dominates the round. Round 5. Tough takes the round. Round 6. The round belongs to rough. Round 7. The round belongs to tough. Round 8. The round belongs to rough. Round 9. And the Final Automata, tough! As always, it's hard to be sure what will work out next, but here's the plan. We want to add a few more defensive moves to finalize the boxing style. Next is stance switching. It's not only important for more diverse fights, but it will also be essential once leg strikes are introduced, since many of them naturally lead to stance changes. Finally, we're finishing the concept art for the first hero automata. We appreciate your support. So long.